What's up, guys, and welcome back to another math puzzle. This one asks the question, what is half of 2/3 of 3/4 of 4/5 of 5,000? So it sounds like a very complicated fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a fraction problem, but it's got a very elegant solution, so I encourage you not to give up and definitely try this one. Go ahead and hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So there's no secret here in terms of how we gotta start this one. Of course, we've got a math problem written out in words. Objective number one is to translate this into numbers. And this word of is very important in math. Usually, I would say almost always when we see half of, 30% of, we're talking about multiplication. So that word is a great indicator of multiplication. So let's write it out as follows. We've got 1/2 of 2/3 of 3/4 of 4/5 of 5,000. Now what we could do is we can just multiply across, if you know how to multiply fractions, and then eventually take whatever the remaining fraction is of 5,000. But we can employ something really cool here. We can simplify this. Once we see this all laid out nicely, we can do some cross simplification. Look at this. We got a nice 2 and a 2 that cancels out. We got a 3 and a 3 that cancels out. We got a 4 and a 4 that cancels out. So what are we now doing? We are now taking only a 1 and a 5, meaning 1/5 of 5,000, and that's pretty easy to do mentally, right? Because 1/5 of 5,000 is basically 5,000 divided by 5, which is 1,000. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. And if you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.